Are you thinking in training as a couples counsellor, but you're unsure of which course to take? In this video, I'm going to explore why Imago Relationship Therapy might be the perfect course for you. Hello, my name's Ian Tomlinson and I help therapists become confident and potent when working with couples. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why I think Imago Relationship Therapy is the best way I know of working with couples. So the first reason I'd give you as to why Imago Relationship Therapy might be the modality you choose is because it works. Now, I'm not really sure whether there are any other better reasons to choose a modality or not, but this way of working with couples really has a big impact on couples and helps them become closer and more connected, which essentially is the point of couples therapy. Harville Hendrix and Helen LaKelly Hunt founded Imago Relationship Therapy back in the 80s. And Harville Hendrix said of Imago Relationship Therapy, "I think for an individual therapist, Imago is no longer throwing mud against the wall and seeing if it helps couples. If you do it, you will help couples." I've seen the truth of this statement over and over again in the therapy room. I've seen how Imago, through the dialogue process, brings couples closer together and fundamentally shifts the relationship that they've got, which is absolutely awesome. It's an amazing thing to be a part of, and as a therapist, it's extremely rewarding to see and to use. I remember when I first trained in Imago, and I hadn't fully committed to using the dialogue system in my work, and I would kind of bring other pieces in here and there. And what I would notice is that the more I used the dialogue and Imago Relationship Therapy, the more effective my work was with that couple. And if I used a more traditional way, things got messy, often quite quickly, and the couple would start arguing, and that was exactly what I didn't want to happen in the therapy room. I wanted to give them a different experience in the therapy room to what they were having outside of the therapy room. So I learned very fast to use Imago all of the time and be really consistent with the way I worked. So the second reason why I think Imago Relationship Therapy is brilliant is because it has been tried and tested worldwide. So there are more than 50 countries involved with Imago Relationship Therapy. Thousands of therapists across the world are using this method, and they're all feeding back into the central hub, the IITI, as to how the modality works and what might need changing and tweaking. And that really does improve this modality. It's been going for over 30 years, so it really has run the test of time. And the other thing I really like about it is it doesn't matter what type of couple you're working with, whether you've got a straight couple, a gay couple, cultural differences, they are all incorporated in Imago Relationship Therapy. So it's very inclusive, and once you've learnt the techniques of Imago Relationship Therapy, you'll be able to apply it to any couple that come through your door. So the next thing that I really love about Imago Relationship Therapy is the structure that it provides. And the structure is brilliant both for the couple and for the therapist. So the Imago dialogue process brings in that structure, and it's a structured way of talking that promotes safety and connection. Now that's great for the couple because it allows connection to happen within the session, and it's also great for the therapist because the therapist is never in doubt as to what they need to do. An Imago therapist focuses on creating the safety in the room so the couple can dialogue, and then encourages the couple into connection. So you have a really clear mandate for what you're doing in the room and you know where the focus is, it's just a really lovely way to work. So there are a ton of things that I love about Imago Relationship Therapy. As you can imagine, I'm an Imago therapist. I've been an Imago therapist for over a decade, so obviously I kind of like it. The last thing I'm going to talk about in this video, though, is the training. So in the training, you're going to learn the why, the theory side, but you're not going to be just left trying to work out for yourself how you'll apply that theory to the couple that come through your door, maybe angry or upset or distressed. We will teach you in the training exactly how to use the theory in practice. And practice is a key word here, because you will practice it in the training and then you'll practice it some more, and then between each module you'll go out and you'll work with couples and you'll practice, and you'll bring your experiences back into the modules, back into the training, and then you'll practice some more in the trainings. So you can see you're going to get a really solid grounding in what to actually do with a couple in the therapy room. We'll also explore a typical session and what a typical session looks like. We talk about what a first session with a couple looks like. We explore what you would do with a couple where maybe one or both of them are very angry, and you'll practice that. We look at affairs. All of the stuff that you're really going to need as a couples therapist, you will have practiced in the room. That's going to give you far more confidence when you work with couples, and hopefully help you turn into a really potent couples therapist, which really is what it's all about. If you're interested in finding out more about being a couples counsellor, then please sign up to my weekly bulletin. It's called the Confident Couples Counsellor, and it will give you information on how to become a potent and effective couples counsellor. Just click the link below and you can sign up on the website.